Introduction to recognition. Meaning of recognition. Recognition is the formal acknowledgement by existing states that a new state, or a new government, has fulfilled the conditions of international law and is accepted as a member of the international community. Definition of recognition. Recognition may be defined as the act by which a state acknowledges the existence of another state or government and accepts it as a subject of international law. Purpose of recognition. The main purposes of recognition are to establish legal relations between states, to allow the recognized state or government to enter into treaties, send and receive diplomatic representatives, claim rights, and perform duties under international law. Nature of recognition. Recognition is a political act of a state, but it produces legal consequences under international law. It is discretionary in nature, as no state is legally bound to recognize another state or government. Political act with legal consequences. Discretionary in nature. Not compulsory under international law. Who can grant recognition? Only existing states can grant recognition. Recognition is given by individual states, sometimes collectively through international organizations. Importance of recognition. Recognition is important because it enables a state to become an active participant in international relations. Without recognition, diplomatic relations are difficult. International rights may not be fully exercised. 7. Recognition and international law. Recognition is governed by rules of international law. However, it is largely influenced by political considerations, national interests of states. Conclusion. Thus, it is clear that states are no longer the only subjects of international law. Modern international law recognizes international organizations, individuals, and other entities as subjects to a limited extent, reflecting the dynamic and expanding nature of international law. International law has evolved from a state-centric system to a community-based legal order. Modern definitions recognize the role of international organizations and individuals, reflecting the dynamic and expanding nature of international law.